Good morning, MarineMax Stuart here, Bill Mascas. Today I want to show you an exciting bay boat, the Scout 281 XSS. Let's hop in and I'll show you what it's all about. Starting up here, you have the new V10 400 ample of power for this size boat. Great platform. It has sea deck on top of it, which makes a nice soft feel, especially when you are barefoot over here fishing, casting, whatever you want to do. Extremely well used of this space. You will see that we have ingenious fender holders on both these two compartments. And then right over here on the side, you have a conveniently placed fish box. So you cut it back here, you throw it in here or over the other side. Underneath this section, you have a nice seat, so when you're not fishing, cruising around the sandbar, you can have 2 to 3 people sitting back here. Your live well with a nice see-through glass over here, so it can be your fish tank or your bait tank, whichever way you want to use it. Nice Yeti cooler right underneath it on a sliding platform. Best feature on the boat, nice beer opener right over here with a freshwater hose and a raw water hose over the other side. Rod holders all over the place. Cup holders, some of the cup holders will be cup holder rod holders, especially up on the bow. Helm seats with bolsters. There is a tackle storage drawer right over this side. The stereo system kicks butt. You have a nice subwoofer right over here. You feel it in your chest when you play music. Then huge, I think it's either 22 or 24 inch Garmin over here. Dual inductive chargers for your phones. Zip wick. Your jack plate controls for the motor. VHF right up there, and your Mercury WHT right over here. There is a cover for this section. Digital throttle with automatic trim. Start and stop button over here. Your main switches are conveniently placed inside the center console, which is going to show you when we come around. But for now, let's go forward. Nice relaxing area up here on the bow. You still have a nice casting platform right up front. Foot controls, foot to remote controls for your windlass, which sits right up front. And then your batteries and storage is hiding right underneath here. Your batteries actually are right under this compartment. And then you have road and chain access on these two compartments. Cup holders, rod holders. Over that side, more cup holders right behind it. Storage underneath the seats with nice backrests, beautiful stitching, making the look very rich. You have your wiper with freshwater wash for your windshield. And let me show you down here. You have the head compartment with your power panel and all your main switching right over here. Very easy access. Also notice the dive ladder stores in here and can be placed on the aft of the boat. This concludes our short presentation on this awesome Scout 281 XSS. If you do have any further questions, please visit our website or give me a call. It's Bill Mascas, MarineMax. 203-808-5088 is the best way to get me. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.